welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel's all about art and craft. Now today I'm going to show you some tricks and tell you some tricks as well when it comes to stamps. Now sometimes we buy stamps and we actually have a hell of a time trying to get them off. I mean, look at this acetate. It is wrinkled as because they were so hard to get off. And what I found afterwards was they wouldn't stick anymore, whether it was my acrylic block or whether it was the acetate sheet. So, in order to figure out what's causing the issue, start off with washing your acrylic block in nice warm soapy water, and maybe use some rubbing alcohol afterwards to get any sort of grease or anything like that off, because that can sometimes cause it. The other thing is also, wash the stamp itself in the same manner and dry it off properly and see if it sticks. If it still doesn't stick, I will show you what to do. Now I've got two here. Now hopefully they won't stick properly, and as you can see, it's not sticking. Okay, it sort of sticks but it doesn't hold strong enough, and it'll be the same when I stick it onto the acetate. Now I'll show you how I generally do it, because I'm actually putting it onto an acetate sheet that I've cut to size, because I'm putting everything into a folder in alphabetical order. So I haven't sort of stamped these yet. So basically, if it still kind of sticks, I'll stamp first, and then I just clean it up. Good. And as you can see, it's really just not sticking. So, okay. And then once I've got it cleaned up, I will grab my tacky glue and I'll put a tiny bit on the back of it where we want it to be sticky, and then just with my finger I'm just going to spread it around. And you only need a very thin coat, you don't need a thick coat on it, like so. Okay, and then I'll just put it down to dry. And I've done that with all the other ones already that weren't sticking, and I've already got two on here that had the same problem, but now they are sticking nicely to my acetate, and they also stick nicely to the block, and I'll show you. So I'll grab the next one, stick it down, and there it sticks. Okay, now I'll show you on the acrylic block, and my acrylic block is actually quite dirty at the moment because I've been busy doing what? Stamping. And again, it's really sticking to the acrylic block, so makes life a lot easier. Now the other thing is also, just like with anything that's silicone, the longer you have them and the more you use them as well, they will start becoming not so flexible anymore. And in order to overcome that, to bring them back to life, all you need is some petroleum jelly. okay? And basically what you would do is you just coat it in petroleum jelly, just put some on your finger, rub it on. I haven't actually got a stamp to show you with, but basically you just rub it on reasonably thick, not too thick, but reasonably thick, okay? And you just put it off to one side and you let it sit for at least 24 hours. Now, depending on how bad it is, 24 hours might not be enough, but if you get it early enough, it'll be plenty, okay? And then once the time is up, you just wash your stamp in warm soapy water, dry it off, and it should be good as new. So I thought, you know, that's a pretty good tip to give you guys. So anyhow, the next video that's going to be coming up, I will actually show you my craft room. And what I'm going to do is I'll show you at the beginning of the video what my craft room looked like. And I think it was about 6 months ago that I last did a video on my craft room and what it looks like now. You will be amazed. And I've only been getting little bits here and there. Just, you know, I didn't sort of go out and just buy the whole lot at once. It's sort of like little drips and drabs. But it'll give you an idea on how fast you can actually build up your supplies without, you know, forking out hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars all in one hit. So, and yeah, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and you want to learn more about art and craft, you know, you might want to expand your skills, or you're new to it and you only just learning, you know, there's something for everybody here. So at the moment it's more about card making, but as soon as I get back into some sort of normality, because life's been far too normal, shall I say, far too normal. I haven't been able to scratch myself lately, so hence it's taken me this long to actually find the time to sit down and do a video. So my apologies, guys. I know I've been really good and putting videos up regularly, and yeah, the last couple of weeks have just been absolutely crazy, and I could not find the time to do a video. So, but I'm going to make up for it now. So, all right, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.